Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you may have heard in the last video or on my social media or every post on the tech Twitter since yesterday, Fable 5 is finally back. And what are the best use cases? Well, checking for security issues, optimizing your code, creating apps in a stack that you already know and an app that can flourish. And what are we gonna do today? None of those. So let's move to our usual directory. Let's create a folder. Let's call it cookie elixir. And I don't even think it's pronounced like that, or better, it's spelled like that. And that's what we are gonna do today. We are gonna use Devin, hashtag not sponsored, but quite not quite sponsored because I'm technically an ambassador, but we are gonna use Cloud Fable. We are gonna keep it on medium. And let's see how many tokens I have left to check how much we spent at the end of the video. I have 489, and let's see how much does it take to finish my quota. Well, I didn't say what we are gonna do today. Today we are gonna create a multiplayer cookie clicker using Elixir. It's a stupid idea. Yes. Am I gonna do it? Yes. Why the fuck I'm doing it? Well, because I'm just gonna prove you today, or I'm gonna disprove myself, that Fable can do almost anything that is not, I don't know, assemblies, strange stuff that you need for FFmpeg. And maybe you can even do that if you know what you're doing. But here, I don't know what I'm doing. I never touched Elixir in my life. And I don't know where to host it. I don't know literally anything. I usually do TypeScript stuff. So yeah, let's start. Let's get a plan. And us, like real vibe coders, we are not even gonna write it ourselves. We are just gonna dictate it. So I never played with the Elixir language, and what I want to do is I want to create an Elixir project in this directory, and this project is a multiplayer cookie clicker that I can play with my friends. Guide me step by step and ask me one question at a time. One thing I want to check before we start, if we have some Elixir skills in skills of the Sage. We have something from Mindrali. Let's see. 3 commits, 168 stars. That's a lot of files. Okay, no. I don't know who Mindrali is, but yeah, that many files I cannot show. Let's see. We have Sentry, but it's not the code itself. Okay, I guess we don't have a very well-known package. We will do YOLO. Let's do it. I don't have an exact script for this video. It's more like fuck around and find out, as they usually say. Let's see. First of all, how do we want to build a game interface for real-time multiplayer game in Elixir? The standard choice is Phoenix. And Phoenix it is. Who am I to say no to Fable? How should you and your friend play together? One shaped cookie. Let's do rooms and lobbies. No, competitive. Let's see who can click faster. Should the game include upgrades? Of course. Should progress reverse server restart? Let's do Postgres. Yeah, why not? I don't know if I can use convex in Elixir. I should ask. How should player identify themselves? Just a name. It's how will your friends connect to the game? Let me think about it. Yeah, it's okay. Let's do a local network. So everyone in my Wi-Fi can use it. I think it's quite fun still. And later we can host it. Yes. Let's go bypass permissions. And I'll see you once it's done. But if I didn't say it before, this harness is Devin. I recently became an ambassador. Devin is an amazing product. It's mainly an async agent. It means that it usually runs on the cloud. So when you are out of your house, you don't have your machines. But they're also pushing for on-device things. They have their CLI, they have their desktop app. So they are the best of both worlds. The agent is almost done, and now it's checking in the browser if everything is working. Look at this. Look how 4K is this cookie. Oh, I'm going against the agent. He doesn't know that I have like 12 years of Minecraft bad words on my head. Grandma? What is this? I'm the god of cookies now. Okay, let's see. Now, if I take my phone, oh, it got disconnected. Well, I think it closed the server. Okay. Okay. So if I take my phone, let's see, and I'm on the same Wi-Fi, localhost 4000. I don't know if I can do it on mobile as well. Maybe I need to spawn an Ngrok. This, yeah, I think so. So I want to play it also on my phone. Can we spawn like a Cloudflare tunnel for it? Come on, little whisper, you can do it. This thing is so stupid. Like we are making something stupid, okay, but the fact that we are making something really stupid, and okay, the fact that you can do it in a language that you never touched and you don't even know like how does it work? Not that I know how TypeScript works, but I surely have more experience on it. Like it's crazy. Like crazy for real. And I don't think we even consume that much money. Let's see. Okay, I think we are almost done. Please add a QR code so it's easier to join on mobile. Let's add this command. Okay, now it's gonna add simple QR code. So I can take my phone and scan it. By the way, this is the first error that showed up. Okay, the error is done. The error disappeared. Let's go here. Let's go with two different nicknames. Let me scan the QR code. But the QR code still goes to localhost and not the Cloudflare tunnel. Okay. Even Fable sometimes makes stupid mistakes. But it's good. We do it as humans imagine artificial intelligence. Okay, we have a URL now. Let's see. Okay, I have the app on my foldable. Let me just show you. Let me log in from here. Let's click on both. Do we see both? Oh, look at this. This goes up, this goes up. And yeah, we achieved our mission. It took more or less 30 minutes. I'm recording like, but most of the time was literally idle. We were waiting, doing nothing. And let's see how much we consumed. Oops, 7 usage. We have 472. And at the start of the video, we had 489. 72, so it's 17 bucks, something like that. I mean, that's not cheap. I mean, but you also need to consider that Devin is not subsidizing your subscription. So it's totally fine that it costs more than usual. And the good thing is that since SpaceX bought, since SpaceX gave Anthropic more compute, technically they will have more ways of making the model cheaper, faster, etc. So technically, this is the worst that it will ever be. It's an amazing model. You can literally do anything with it. Anything always with an asterisk because you always need to know more or less what you're doing. So that's it for this video. It's just the first one of a bunch that I want to do on where we create stupid stuff from a stupid idea in stupid ways. I will also do some more concrete videos. And if you're interested about it, or if you are interested in me creating agents, because I'm releasing a video like that next week as well, just subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter. That's where I post the most. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching me creating a multiplayer cookie clicker with Elixir. That sounds quite funny. And see you next time. Bye bye.